Well, today we're doing an unboxing and a quick overview of the Newair 120 volt garage heater. Let's unbox it, highlight key features, see how it performs. All right, so here is what this little garage heater looks like. It's got a nice handle. You see the exhaust on the back, see the heating element in the front. It's got the power here and also in a little fan, and also having kind of two different heating elements, kind of a low heat to high heat. And according to here, it says it heats up to 160 square feet, which is about 20 feet by 8 feet. So that is about the length of my garage. So let's test this thing out and see how it performs and how long it takes to heat up the garage. All right, we have this thing powered on. We're gonna go ahead and do max heat. And then just from instantly turning this on, it's already producing some heat from just the get-go that quickly. That's pretty awesome. So as I'm thinking about how this will be so versatile, you know, if I'm out here working in the garage and it's cold here in the winter, which it's, you know, late January here in Oklahoma. Right now it's not too cold, but putting this on the floor or even leaving it here on, depending on how cold it was in a project I was using, this definitely, like if I have it positioned like this and I'm working on a project and it is cold outside, this feels really good and comfortable right now. So instant heat as you power it on. Now I'm curious to see how long it takes to heat up the garage. But I also want to, it also has a tilting feature as well. So I want to put this on the ground and see what it feels like standing up. Yep, I'm getting kind of getting that heat all the way up here. And let's see if there's any other, yeah, that's as high as it goes. So on the ground, I'm feeling the heat all the way up to my middle of my chest, which feels pretty good. If I have my back or side to the heating element, I feel that fan coming really comfortably. So I'd say that's a really nice feature. If you wanted to get your face, you know, it'd be maybe nice if it could go up a little higher, but at the same time I could place it here and directly get my my chest, my hands, my face. But because it's gonna probably here in the next 10 minutes, maybe even a lot longer, who knows, up to an hour, I'm not sure, should heat up the whole garage pretty, or at least bringing up so many degrees. So we'll see how long it takes to kind of heat up the area, but overall, super impressed. Hey guys, I'm Scott from Dad Approved Product Reviews, and here's your dad joke. Why don't eggs tell jokes? Because they may crack up. It's really cheesy, but good. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite dad joke. Maybe we'll feature it in the next video. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. You know exactly what to do. That helps our channel as we build this channel up. If you're into barbecue, check out my other channel, Bartlow's Barbecue, where we make fun barbecue recipes. We have our own seasoning and sauce company. Check out our seasonings and sauce as well. And we're doing this channel as a fun way to review other products that dads would be interested in. And I hope this might be helpful to you. And again, if it's dad approved, it must be good, and we'll see you next time.